So I just received some socks, which I'm super excited about. Because this is the kind of thing that when you're my age gets you really excited. But they are Sesame Street socks from Bombas. Now, cool thing about Bombas, every pair of socks you buy or undershirt you buy from them, they donate a pair of socks or undershirt to people in need. So not only did I get some cool socks, somebody else got some cool socks, who needed them more than I did. I don't think they got these cool socks, but they got some socks. I'm going to have to edit this because I can't get into the box. Okay, so these are the Sesame Street edition Bombas socks.
Ooh.
And if you look at them, they're awesome. Each one of them is a Sesame Street character. So let's pick one.
Do Big Bird.
Big Bird, that's this guy. How cool is that? They're fun. They're well made. They are sustainably sourced, I think, and they are donating pairs to people in need.
Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster, this one. Oh, he's got cookies on the back. I don't know. They're exciting. It's exciting when you're my age to get socks. So there you go. Here's Oscar the Grouch.
Oh, fun. You can wear those when you're grumpy.
I think you'll be borrowing those from me most of the time.
Okay. The end of our Insta story. Oh, wait a minute. Not.
Count.
Oh, that's fun.
Oh, he's getting those. Is that all of them? Did we look at all of them?
I think so.
Did we look at this one? This. Whoa, it's like crazy pair. You got Elmo, Cookie Monster, Oscar, Count.
Oh, those are fun.
Yeah, Big Bird. I don't know who this guy is. I guess that's Elmo, right?
No,
No,
Elmo's on the bottom. Grover?
Grover. Yeah.
You don't have Elmo socks.
I don't have Elmo socks. What?
Are these Elmo socks? Here is the pair of Elmo socks. They're so cute. Hold on. I'm doing this one-handed here.